have a dozen, I have 12. So there we are, they're helping you with the vocabulary there, just in case you just can't quite remember. How many are there in 3.5 dozen? Different ways you can do it, all amount to the same thing. You could go 3 times 12. So 3 times 12 is 36. A half of 12 is 6. Add them together is 42. Or if you want to do it, you can just go 12 times 3.5. Now this means you need to know what to do about the decimal. 2 times 5 is 10. 1 times 5 is 5, and 1 is 6. And 12 times 5 is indeed 60. Put down the Smarty. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3. Add it up. 0, 12, carry the 1, 1, 4. What do we do with the decimal? Now, if you're adding or taking away, you bring it down. But are we adding or taking away? No, we're timesing. So we find out how many numbers there are after the decimal place. And in this case, it's 1. So you bounce it in once. If you got it by bringing down and got it through sheer dumb luck, rejoice. Sometimes the dumb luck fairy will come and sprinkle dumb luck all over you just because you tried. God loves a trier. Now let's have a look. Supposing we've got 2 numbers after the decimals, this one and this one. So it's 1 and a bit times 3 and a bit. So that's going to be about 4 and a bit, do you reckon? And we've got 2 numbers after the decimals, so we go in 1, 2, and it would land there. Let's get rid of this one. Now what about if we had, let's try being really adventurous here, but we'll get rid of these. And we'll go 0.12 times 0.35. How many numbers after the decimal point now? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'd go 1, 2, 3. Ooh, give ourselves a naught. 4. And let's get rid of this one. So our answer would be 0.042. How exciting!